Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can troubleshoot your Coinbase mobile app on your Android smartphone. So if you have been having challenges with your Coinbase app, maybe the app keeps on stopping or crashing, or the app can't open totally, then let me show you how you can solve that problem and fix it for once and for all. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you just support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Great. Now the first thing you need to do is to access the app information page of this Coinbase app. Now there are two ways to do it. In the first method, we can achieve it through settings. So if I go to settings, and then from settings, I'll go to apps. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. Now under apps, look for the option called manage apps or all apps and then tap on it. Now this will list all the apps you have on your smartphone. Go through them until you see Coinbase. As you can see, my Coinbase app is here. Tap on it. So if you're finding it hard to get to info page, let me show you the shortcut method to get to this page. So in the shortcut method, just go to your Coinbase app like this, and then long press on it, and you'll see this option called app info. If you go ahead and tap on it, now you see you'll still get to app info page. If I go to storage, we are interested in cache data. So when you talk of cache, we are talking of small files that are normally stored on your app whenever you use the app. These files are normally stored so that to enhance the performance of the app and your user experience. However, the accumulation of these small files might cause your app to malfunction or your app not to work at all. So we need to go ahead and clear these cache files, and to do so, head down here and you can see we have the option called clear data. If you tap on clear data, we have two options here, clear all data and clear cache. In the first method, just go ahead and tap on clear cache, and now you can see if I go ahead and tap on OK, you will see this data under cache will disappear. So if I tap on OK, now look at that, our cache data has been cleared and some of user data has been cleared as well. Now from here, go ahead and restart your smartphone and then go ahead and open your app. At this point now, most of the problems that you are experiencing should have been fixed, and you should be able to use now your app just as usual. Now, should this not solve your problem, then you might need to go ahead and again tap on clear all data. And at this point now, you'll clear everything, and then you'll have to log in afresh and make fresh settings of your app. So you have to note that before you take that step. However, if that didn't solve your problem, still you'll have to go ahead and use the third method to fix any problem if it still persists. For this method, you'll need to go to Google Play Store and then tap on it and then look for Coinbase. And here is our app. From here, go ahead and tap on it and then look for any update if it is available. One of the reasons why your app is malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated app that is not secure, and that's why you might be experiencing problems with this app. So go ahead and tap on update if you have that option here. For my case, I'm already using an up-to-date app on my smartphone. So once you update your app, now at this point, everything or all the bugs should have been fixed on your app. Proceed and then open your app, and at this point now, your app should be functioning or working as usual. So that's how you troubleshoot your Coinbase app and fix all the errors and problems that you are encountering. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.